Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pikachu Hehe token. Ticker symbol is HEHE. This token just started their pre-sale recently on their webpage. Brand new pre-sale. They're doing very well. They've already sold over $8 million worth of tokens. Their goal is, looks like, well, I don't know if this is their goal, but it looks like the max here, it says $33 billion. $33,666,666,000 USDT. That's pretty insane. But yeah, they're doing very well. Sold over $8 million worth of tokens so far. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So if you go to their webpage, hehe.to, real easy to find. They have a full white paper on there. They have a buy now button. They have a countdown. Basically how a lot of these pre-sales works is they go through different phases of the pre-sale. So this one right now, it's counting down. It says buy before the next price increase. And the next price increase will be in about 4 days. And so they have the price right now for this stage of the pre-sale. And then they have the listing price, and they show you the difference of, like, if you buy it early, how much the token will cost, and then once it gets listed, how much the token will cost. Now, it looks like you can buy the token with Ethereum or USDT, and you can connect your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet to the page and trade your either Ethereum or USDT for the Pikachu Hehe token. By just connecting your wallet on the page. Now, if you don't know how to do that, they do have a step-by-step guide. It says how to buy. Just click on that. It'll take you right through, how easy it is to do it. Now, they do have some socials you can check out as well. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here, which is at Hehe Meme Token, and then their Telegram, which is also at Hehe Meme Token. So you can check both of those out. But like I said, they've already sold 8,006,720 USDT worth of tokens. So they're doing extremely well here. Now their white paper, it'll take you over to docs.pikachu.to. It says, welcome to People's Meme Pikachu, the Hehe token. This is a utility token, a community-powered meme token. So the ecosystem is community-powered that aims to give people control over their finances through key utility offerings. So they're going to have the Monster Universe, which I'm assuming is going to be some sort of metaverse. Monster Go, which sounds like a game. Their decentralized finance yield protocol. DAO governance, so you're going to have voting rights. And then NFT marketplace, a place obviously where you could buy NFTs. So these are kind of like meme utilities. So the DAO governance, the People's Meme Pikachu community governs itself via the Hehe DAO, the decentralized governance framework that supports the ecosystem fund. The DAO follows a proposal process to vote on how the ecosystem fund will distribute the Hehe Foundation and promote a diverse and self-sustaining ecosystem. The governance guide is an overview of the proposal process. It's a living document that will evolve and improve with the DAO's community's input. So then the Monster Universe is the People's Meme NFT metaverse game that will be powered by the People's Meme, the Hehe token. The Monster Universe will feature A-level game mechanics on the blockchain. This includes on-chain gaming interactions and upgradable NFTs. The monster world is the primary realm for monsters set within its own unique universe. While drawing inspiration from the real world, the monster world exhibits distinct characteristics that differentiate it from our own reality. It offers a fascinating environment where monsters roam and captivating adventures unfold. So then we have Monster Go. Discover a completely new world. Explore the world alongside the Monster Go community as you guide. Plan your course to showcase your favorite landmarks or follow in the footsteps of local trainers to discover what they love about this community. Routes are created by adventurous trainers, just like yourself. Imagine what you'll encounter as you travel along another trainer's path, a possible encounter with your favorite monster. Now, they do have that on Pokemon Go as well, a route feature where the trainers can go on different routes. Bonuses for exploring routes. What's an adventure without some treasure? There is an assortment of bonuses to enjoy while exploring routes. All the details will be made available after the release, so stay tuned for more information. Then we have Decentralized Finance Yield Protocol, which is a collection of decentralized finance products that will be launched under the Pikachu brand. We are driven by a robust foundation committed to creating a potent decentralized ecosystem that embraces the challenges of the future, or a current array of products and services such as yield farming, staking, and a decentralized multi-level marketing platform. This is just the beginning. We are continuously pushing boundaries, introducing cutting-edge DeFi solutions, educational tools, NFTs, and even metaverse gaming, ensuring accessibility for users of all levels from novices to experts. Our aim is to evolve and grow with an ever-changing landscape of decentralized finance, providing a comprehensive platform for all your needs. The first utility product will be launching under the Pikachu umbrella and is a cutting-edge decentralized multi-level marketing platform powered by smart contracts and driven by blockchain technology. And lastly, we have the NFT marketplace. A certain way to get a desired NFT card is to buy it on the People's Meme Pikachu marketplace. Choose a desired lot and buy it from another player with crypto, or sell the cards on your own roster. So the tokenomics for the token here, it says the Hehe token is available on more than one blockchain. Each blockchain Hehe is on has its own strong points that allow the Hehe ecosystem to thrive on it. As of right now, Hehe is available on the following blockchains. So not just Ethereum and USDT. It says you can also get this on Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimism, Phantom, Gnosis, and Harmony. So it's also the governance token of the ecosystem on a decentralized platform, creating, managing, and trading synthetic assets. Holders have the ability to participate in governance of the protocol by voting on proposals and decisions related to the development, operations, and overall direction of the project. It's also a utility token that can be used for transactions, payments, and fees on the ecosystem, and can be traded on various cryptocurrency exchanges. And the token is split up like this, where 61% go to liquidity pool, 27.5% treasury and DAO, 7.5% pre-sale, 1% airdrop, and 3% listings. And there is a total supply here of 187,666,000,000,000 tokens. And that is basically about it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there. Leave a comment, check out my Facebook, check out my Patreon link down there, hit that join button. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.